Anyways, what is up, YouTube? You probably don't know me. You know, why would you? I've never posted before. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy. No, it's not. What is up, YouTube? So this is my first ever video on YouTube. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Whoa, what's going on there? Some craziness. That was almost about to be an accident. Hello. Oh. Right. I don't know why I said right like that. That's a bit weird. Hello, people of YouTube. Welcome to my channel. I don't know what this video is going to end up looking or sounding like. Looking because it's kind of raining, as you can see, or maybe you can't tell, I don't know. There might be some rain on the lens, so I don't know if that blurs the video and puts like things out of focus or whatever, right? As you can see, it's raining lightly. It's a nice Sunday afternoon. The time, ignore the time on my bike, that's about half an hour off. It's 2:30 or 40. Oh, that guy's having fun. And we are going to be going online with Uber Eats. This guy's a bit of an idiot, sticking his car out like that. Yeah, so we're going to be going online with Uber Eats. I think generally I like to keep a target of £100 on a weekend, which is very achievable depending on what time you go online. Oh. Undercover police, mate. We're undercover. So now we can go online. Hopefully we get our first delivery of the day somewhere around here. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, look. Where's that? It's going to, yeah, sure. First delivery of the day. Not that anyone's asked, but I think the purpose of me starting this channel is kind of to show people, you know, like what London Eats and other channels have going on, where they show you what the gig economy is like in London. Oh, look, got an add-on. 2, yeah, sure. Yeah, you know, what it's like working in the gig economy, doing work with Uber Eats, Deliveroo, Just Eat. I've got 3 accounts. I think that those 3 are probably enough. I do have a full-time job, a 9 to 5 I do. I work in IT. Anyways, enough of the yapping. Let's go and get our first delivery. Can we fit through that gap? Oh, I don't want to risk it. I think we can though. Oh, just about.
Going big. Hey, yeah. We going big. We going big. We going big. Don't trip, gotta get it how you live. Hey, yeah. We going big. We going big. We going big. Don't trip, gotta get it how you live. Hey, doing bad, yo, I understand the crash out. Leave them on skates, baby, get your map out. Let it ride, I don't cash out. Seatbelt gang, leave them strapped in the paint, getting back down. They finally let the cat out the bag to get a bag now. Dropping pace buckets, the wings just had to branch out. Hand down, that's a man down. CC shooting shots from the stands now. We never got a hand out.
Ain't there no sort of running, never walking, told them never mind my government. I don't want no credit, this the first time I discovered it. Who can block my shot? It's nobody, yes, none of them. Seeking competition, have you seen it? Was eating, give a grapevine, talking about arenas. On the beat, you know I Levi, I'm a genius. Y'all be acting dirty and foul, I'm the cleanest. I'm like AI, not chat GPT, the only answer bringing chaos. In the crowd, watching what I do like a seance. And he told me turn the camera on like, hey ma. Jewels on my neck though, I've been really trying to act right, never left though. Y'all be stealing styles, yeah, it's feeling hella cleft though. I ball #1, yeah, I'm feeling like LaMelo.
We gon' big, gon' big. We gon' big, gon' big. We gon' big, gon' big. Don't trip, gotta get it how you live, ayy. Yeah, we gon' big, gon' big. We gon' big, gon' big. We gon' big, gon' big. Don't trip, gotta get it how you live, ayy.
문득 들려온 너의 목소리 따뜻한 그 말 조용히 피어난 노란 봄 웃는 네 모습을 보면 괜히 심장이 빨라지고 너랑 걷는 이 길 위에 시간이 멈췄으면 해 눈빛 한 번이면 충분해 그 어떤 말보다 우린 깊게 이어져 지금 이 느낌 그대로 계속 바라볼래 조금만 더 이렇게 걷자 지금이 너무 좋아서 이젠 말해도 될 것 같아 널 향한 맘을 내가 먼저 다가가도 돼 그냥 옆에 있고 싶은 거야 I just wanna be close to you 그냥 이대로 자연스럽게 가끔 말 돌려도 한 번쯤은 웃어줘 괜히 애꿎은 두 번만 들었다 놨다 계속 붙어있고 싶다 바짝 넌 아무렇지 않은 척 그게 헷갈리게 만들어 눈빛 한 번이면 충분해 그 어떤 말보다 우린 깊게 이어져 지금 이 느낌 그대로 계속 바라볼래
Hello. Just checking it's recording. It is. It is. Can't believe the sun's come out. The time is 5:32. Holy crap. What is that? Hell no. We are not doing that. Imagine that. £12 to go from here all the way to Leatherhead. You must be having a laugh. This app must think we're flipping idiots. I think I'm going to head towards central London, if I'm being honest. To Kingston. Fresco to Kingston. Yeah, don't mind that. It's not a bad one. Right, let's park up and go and get this delivery. Nice. I'm going to turn this off. People think I'm weird. Man, look how sunny it is. It was literally like dark and gloomy not even half an hour ago. Right, so just picked up 3 orders from Rosa's Thai. Never had a triple from the same restaurant before, if I'm being honest. I'm not sure if Uber have a kind of a limit on, like, if you've ordered food and it's been, I don't know, a set amount of time, you can't add to your order, which makes sense, I guess. So I think he's ordered twice. And I know that because just before I went to pick up, he messaged me to say, hey, I've made 2 orders. Can you please make sure if you're going, you collect both? I've even had orders where I've delivered orders to people on the same street. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Pretty good. What the hell was that? I had a brain fart.